children. Already we have learned about the two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Now come to the page number 244. Come to the page number 244. 244. Page number 244, classifying and sorting shapes. Sorting shape means identifying the shapes. So plane shape. Plane shapes. There are many ways to sort shapes. That means there are many ways to identify the shapes. First, shapes with the corners. Here they have given some shapes and these all shapes have the corners. These points we called corners, where two lines meet now, that point we called corner. Where two lines come and meet now, that point we called corner. So these are the corners. These all are the corners. So these all shapes have the corners. Next, shape with three sides. These lines we called sides. These all shapes have three sides. This shape has three sides. This one also has three sides. All the shapes have three sides or three lines. Next, shapes with four corners. These all the shapes have four corners. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the shapes have four corners. Corner means two lines. Where two lines meet now, that point we called a corner. It is a corner. In this corner, this line and this line meet now. So this point we called a corner. These all the shapes have four corners. Okay. Come to the mental maths. Encircle the shapes that follow the given rule. First one, no corners. Here they have given some shapes. So in these given shapes, which shapes haven't any corners? So encircle those shapes. This shape hasn't any corner. So encircle for this. This one also hasn't any corner. This shape also hasn't any corner. And this shape also hasn't any corner. And these two shapes this shape has four corners. This shape has three corners. And these shapes haven't any corners. So encircle for these shapes. Next, more than three sides. So here they have given some shapes. Which shapes have more than three sides? See here, this shape has a 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape has four sides. So encircle for this shape. Come to this shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. So encircle for this shape also. This 1, 2, 3. This shape has only 3 sides. So no need to encircle for this. Come to this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape has 4 sides. That means more than 3 sides. So encircle for this side also. Sorry, for this shape also. Next, this shape. This shape also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So encircle for this shape. This shape hasn't any sides. So no need to encircle for this. Okay. 4 corners. In the given shapes, which shape have 4 corners? So encircle for those shapes. This shape has 4 corners now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So encircle for this one. This shape has a any corner. This shape has a 1, 2, 3. This shape has only 3 corners, so no need to encircle this one. Come to this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape has 4 corners. So encircle for this shape also. Okay. Next come to the page number 245. Page number 245. Picture. Encircle the solid shapes that follow the given rule. First one, roll. What is the meaning of roll? Rolling and sliding. Rolling or sliding. The shapes which have round faces or curved faces. Which shapes are round or which shapes have round or curved faces? Which shapes are round or curved faces? Now those shapes move by turning their bodies. The shapes which are round in shape or the shapes which have curved faces. Those shapes move by turning their bodies. That we call rolling. Then sliding. Sliding means the shape which have flat faces. They does not move their or they does not turn their bodies. Just they move very silently or they move very easily. The shapes which have flat faces now they move very easily. The shapes which have flat faces they does not turn their bodies when they are moving. But the shapes which are round in shape or which have the curved faces, those shapes while they are moving now they move by turning their bodies. That we call rolling. Okay. So here they have given some shapes. It has a shape like a cylinder. It has a shape like a cube. It has a shape like a cone. So in these given shapes, which shapes are rolling? This one and this one, because cylinder has a curved face and also this cap has a curved face. So these two shapes move by turning their bodies. So instead of encircling, you just put right mark on this shape. No need to encircle, so you just put right mark. Okay? You just put right mark on this and on this. Next come to the all flat faces. Here also they have given some things. So which things have flat faces? It has curved face. This cup also has curved face. But this pyramid has all the flat faces. So put right mark on this. Okay. See here they have given a table of review. Flat shapes and solid shape. First come to the square. Square has one face, 4 sides and 4 corners. Square has only one face. This we call a face. These lines we call sides and this point we call corners. So square has one face, 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle. Rectangle also has one face, 4 sides and 4 corners. Triangle. Triangle has one face, 3 sides and 3 corners. Triangle has only one face, 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay. Next, circle. It is a circle. It has only one face. Circle hasn't any sides and any corners. Oval. It is a oval. It is also has only one face and it also hasn't any sides and any corners. Next, solid shapes. Come to the cube. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Next, cone. Cone has 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 corner. Sphere. Sphere has only one face and sphere hasn't any edges and any corners. Edges means sides. Okay. Cylinder. Cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and cylinder hasn't any corners. Okay. Okay, next come to the page number 246. Page number 246. Quick check. Look at the dark face of the solid shapes. Encircle the name of the shape of the face. In this shape, it is a dark face. So this face is looking like a rectangle now. So encircle for the rectangle. In this shape, it is a dark face, and this face is looking like a triangle. This face is looking like a triangle. So encircle for the triangle. And in this shape, it is a dark face, and it is looking like a circle. So encircle for the circle. Next, in this shape, it is a dark face, and it is looking like a square now. It is looking like a square. So encircle on the square. Okay. Okay, for the today's class, it's enough.